I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add XRP to your Trust Wallet. First, make sure your Trust Wallet application is up to date. This ensures you have access to the latest features and security updates. Once updated, open the app and you will see your main wallet screen. From here, we will proceed with adding the XRP asset. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments to complete, allowing you to manage your XRP securely. To add XRP, look for the Add Tokens or Manage Crypto button, usually found at the top right or bottom of your main wallet screen. Tap on it and a search bar will appear. Type XRP into this bar. You should see XRP appear in the list. Simply toggle the switch next to it to the On position. This action makes XRP visible and ready for transactions within your Trust Wallet. Now that XRP is enabled, tap on it from your main wallet list. You will see options like Send and Receive. Choose Receive. This will display your unique XRP deposit address and a QR code. It is crucial to copy this address accurately. Share this copied address with the person or exchange sending you XRP. Always double-check the address before confirming any transaction to ensure your funds arrive safely. When dealing with XRP, remember there is a minimum reserve requirement, often around 20 XRP, to keep your wallet active. This amount cannot be sent out. Furthermore, your 12-word recovery phrase is paramount. Never share it with anyone as it controls all your funds. Finally, always double-check the recipient's address before sending XRP to prevent irreversible losses. These steps ensure your assets remain secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.